Hey guys, I'm Allie Cohen and I have a 10-minute Tabata workout to help you sweat away stress. Get ready. All right, I got Christina and Dre with me. We got our Under Armour on and we are ready to go. All right, you guys, let's go right into our warm-up. Come to the back of your mat. We're gonna start with plank walkouts. Come down, walk your arms out to a plank. Perfect. And all the way up. We're gonna stand up this time. Stand up, squeeze your glutes, good. Go again. Walk it all the way out. Good, walk it up. And I want you guys to reach your arms above your head. So reach your arms above your head, feel the stretch, good. Repeat it. And you can go at your own tempo for this, okay? So if you need to go a little bit slower, that's fine. Reach your arms all the way up. Good, last one. Walk it out. And all the way up. Perfect. We're gonna go back to a plank position. I want you to hold it down into your plank. Take your foot forwards and lunge. Reach that same arm up and feel that stretch. Beautiful, step down and switch sides. Perfect. Working out is great because it helps you sweat and also you reduce stress to just feel better all around. So glad that we're doing this today. Perfect. Good. Last one. Shake it out. Let's go right into Tabata 1. Toes out. Sumo squat. Side crunch. Sumo. Side. Good. Elbow to knee. Really squeeze that side body.
Oh, I'm feeling it, Allie. Yes.
Oh yeah, you're gonna feel your legs and your abs. 3, 2, 1, rest. We got 10 seconds rest, and I want you guys to follow my girl Christina if you need a modification. Come down to the floor for mountain climbers, go. Cross your body with pulse. We go single, single, pulse for 2. Single, single, pulse for 2. Good, so you're crossing that body. Shoulders over your wrist. I want you to squeeze your core tight, good. Here we go, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest, good. Woo. Tap it out, okay. We definitely are warm now.
Yes.
Okay, we're going back to our sumo side crunch. Toes out, let's go. Crunch it, drop it. Squeeze your inner thighs. Good. Belly in. Oh yeah. I'm definitely feeling this one.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
Yes, getting in them glutes. Glutes
Don't worry, we have 2 more. Let's get in one more. One more. Good, rest. 10 seconds rest. We are gonna go back to our mountain climbers. So let's go down to the mat, come to your plank. In 3, 2, 1, hit it. Cross and pulse for 2. Cross. Beautiful. Don't forget to keep breathing. You got this, you guys. Stick with it. Whew. My whole body is feeling this one. Yes. Keep going. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good. Tap it out. Perfect. Breathe. Okay, we are gonna add on. So if you're intermediate advanced, follow us, and you always have your modification. Toes out. We add a scissor jump, elbow to knee. Scissor jump, elbow to knee. So really cross those legs. Exhale as you side crunch. Good. Let's go for 5, 4, we got it. 3, 2, and rest.
Yeah.
Now we're going to move to, this time, let's hit the deck, ladies. We are gonna not pulse, just go straight through the mountain climber. Follow Christina for my modification. Advance, I want you to just drive those knees across your body. Good, you got it, breathe. I know, trust me, I'm doing it too, I get it.
Woo, yes.
But we're so close to that rest.
We feel it.
Okay, you guys are crushing it. 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. Good. Tap it out. Keep moving. Breathe. All right, we're gonna do it one last time. Toes out. Cross it. Crunch it. Cross it. Crunch it. Perfect. I want you to really get up on those toes. You guys got it. Here we go. This is it after this. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
We did that, girls.
Quick high five. Quick high five.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
oh, yeah.
Mountain climbers all the way through. If you're with me, no pulse. In 3, 2, 1, go. Good, cross your body. Honestly, I feel like mountain climbers are one of my favorite exercises.
Me too.
And I really love this workout because you can do it anywhere, right? So, no excuses here. Keep it going. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. You guys, great news. We are done with that first Tabata.
Yes!
We are getting ready for Tabata 2, which is gonna be a lateral lunge, and we are gonna pair that with a jumping jack punch. So lateral lunge looks like this, okay? You're just gonna step into it. So I want the hips back, the knees over the toes. Okay, so we got that move. We are gonna hit our second Tabata in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, take it out. Step, good. Breathe, send the hips back. And I want you to keep your knee out over your toe, shoulders and hips square. Good, you got it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Perfect, rest. We go. Jumping jack, punch for the next one, okay? We're still in rest, but you got a little preview. Here we go. In 3, ready?
We got it.
Here we go. Let's go, ladies. Jumping jack, side punch. Good, so I want you to have a strong punch, okay? All the way up, punch it out. All the way up, punch it out. Good. Keep breathing. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Woohoo, that was so good. Dab it off. Maybe grab a sip. Yes. We're going back to lateral lunge. Let's scroll. Lateral lunge. Good. So I want you to feel the stretch in your inner thigh, okay?
Oh yeah, we're good.
Push the hips back. And most importantly, I have to remind everyone, don't forget to breathe, okay? So we're doing this move. It's an interesting move because we got to go sideways. Rest. That's it.
Okay. That was quick.
Yeah, that happened really quick. So when you're doing that move, don't be afraid to take your time and get your form right, okay? Jumping jack, pulse, yeah? Jumping jack.
Way too fast.
I'm honestly talking way too fast right now, but I need to say jumping jack punch, okay? There's no pulsing. It's just a jumping jack and a punch. Good. Breathe. Speaking of pulsing, this next round, we're gonna get a crack in.
Kick it out, let's
tap it out. So we're not gonna pulse for this one. I'm gonna give you a quick preview. Lateral lunge, add a skater. Okay, we're adding a skater. If you're with us, you have your modification if you need it. Lateral lunge, pick it up, skate. Really squeeze your abdominals. Good. You guys got this. Listen, this is round 3. We only got 4 rounds. You know what that means. Just a little bit of push. I need it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. I love that rest time. It's like just right when you need it. So we're gonna add in 2 punches for this one. Let's go. Jumpy jack, punch it out. Jumpy jack, punch it out. Too quick. Boom. Too quick. Good. Breathe. Good job, you guys. Stay with me. I promise that rest is coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was
fun. Wait, is this round 4?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's it. We're at the final round. Ladies, go time. Lateral lunge. If you're with me, pick it up, skate. If you want to make it harder, just get more distance. With control, okay? Try to balance. Squeeze those abs. Good. Your legs are definitely going to be feeling it by this round.
Oh yeah.
Right? Good. Rest. Tap it out. Breathe it out.
I love a good breath.
Woo. That breath. We don't have much long. We gotta go jumping jack. Ready? Let's go. Jumping jack. 2 punches. Good. All the way up and down. Sometimes I like to scream, you know?
You let it out, right? It's a good stress reliever.
You can. Just picture something.
With somebody.
Oh, rest. Something. That's right, girl. Oh, you are done with your Tabata.
Woo, woo.
Great job. All right. We are going to stretch it out now, okay?
My favorite
Go ahead.
part.
Take a nice big inhale all the way up. And big exhale out. Another big breath in. And exhale out. Good, let's drop it down. I want you to open the knees. Good. And take it to a lunge stretch. Good. And then take both legs straight. Nice. You guys, we crushed it. Good job. Back down. Pivot to the front. And then walk it to the other side. Turn other direction. See, the beauty of that is in such a short amount of time, you can feel better and have your workout done, right?
Yeah, get my heart rate up.
Yep, face the front. Perfect, slowly roll it all the way up, one vertebrae at a time. Good, roll your shoulders back. Let's take that foot, cross it over. Feel the stretch in the glutes. Sit back in it.
Oh, that always feels
Oh,
delicious.
yeah, you feeling that backside? Did you say that feels delicious?
Delicious.
Oh, I'm gonna totally use that. Feels delicious.
My glutes are loving it.
Yeah, I'm gonna want something delicious now. But we earned it.
Oh, yes, we did.
Good, shake it out. And last thing, I want you to reach your arms up, take a side stretch. Other side. And together, let's take a big inhale all the way up. And a big exhale out. You guys are done. You crushed your 10-minute Tabata.
Great job.
See you next time.
Awesome.
Yes. That workout was only 10 minutes long. No matter how busy you guys are, we can totally find time to get our workout done. You can use MyFitnessPal app to track your workouts to help you stay accountable and to make sure that you're getting in your daily workout. We'll see you soon.